Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Race 2 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. This is quite useful if, for example, your watch is frozen and doesn't respond to anything, or maybe something is malfunctioning like sensors or something like that, and you can try to fix that by force restarting your watch. And I'm gonna show you how to do that. So to force restart our watch, we need to press and hold the upper button and keep holding it until you see the logo on the screen, the SUUNTO logo, or until the watch or the screen on the watch turns off. It takes about 12 seconds, I would say, so keep holding the button. And after the screen turns off, keep holding it for a bit more. And let's wait. If the SUUNTO logo doesn't appear on the screen, you can release the button, but as you can see, it does appear. And then, if you see the logo, release the button and wait until the rebooting process is complete. It will take, I don't know, a few seconds or maybe a bit more. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.